Now I nominate Terry DeBoer, Brett Thomas, and Emily Linnert, my fellow comrades of the Daybreak team, to the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. You have, I don't care, just get it done within the week or you owe $100.
Okay, well, never before have we seen footage of Storm Team 8 meteorologist Matt Kirkwood accept the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. There it is. It's a trend that's taken off on social media. But if everyone's taking part of the challenge, is any money being raised? Officials say yes. There's been a huge increase in donations nationally. As of Monday, the ALS Association has received $15.6 million in donations compared to the $1.8 million during the same time period last year. So what's being done here locally to help people with this debilitating disease? We're taking that question to the ALS Association of West Michigan this morning. And joining us live on Daybreak to talk about this all is Tanya Peterson from the ALS West Michigan Association. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Good. This has been huge for you guys.
Yeah, it has nationally, obviously, like you talked about, there's been close to over $23 million that have been raised. Locally, for the Michigan ALS chapter, we've had donations that have exceeded over 200%. So that is, again, huge for our chapter. And I think the biggest thing is just raising awareness about ALS and just, you know, making ALS more visible within the West Michigan community. So.
I think you're right. I think one of the concerns I've seen from people is, are you really getting what ALS is through watching all of your friends take part in this challenge? ALS is better known as Lou Gehrig's disease. That's
Correct.
what most people know it as.
Right.
And I'm not sure that some people realize the two are one and the same. It's a debilitating disease.
Absolutely. And I think there, you know, like the stats are out there where just, you know, 50% of people in the population just don't know what Lou Gehrig's disease is. And this is a great way to, you know, make it more visible and bring it out there and just let people know that, you know, what this disease is all about and really how devastating it is and that there is no cure. And that's what we're really fighting for within our community and, you know, just bringing it national as well. And, you know, we're really excited. And we're, you know, really pumped that people are coming on board and that they're participating, you know, in the Ice Bucket Challenge.
So how did it start?
It originally started, I think, like in Boston through Pete Freights, and it's just since then it's taken on, and it's just getting bigger and bigger, and you know the challenges keep coming, and you know we're excited about that, and I've participated in a few myself, and that's really, really exciting.
So tell me how you are making money if everyone's doing it.
Well, we're, you know, just again, the donations that we receive and, you know, the services that we're able to provide, how you talked about, you know, how are we really helping like the West Michigan families? There's so many ways that we're able to do that. It's through our care services program where we work with patients and families. It's also on the advocacy level with the government, working to see changes happen. We're obviously, you know, going back again to the care services programs. We're able to provide services like support groups for ALS and caregivers. We're able to do that right now through the Hollenstein ALS Clinic at St. Mary's. We work with them. And we also have respite programs that allow, you know, and give caregivers a break. We're also able to offer durable medical equipment through our loan program that we have at ALS. And there's a lot of different educational materials that people can tap into through our lending program that we also offer at ALS. And it's just being able for the West Michigan families to be able to connect with the patients and families going into the clinics. We also have where they can call. We can give them telephone support and resource help, helping them with transitions. You know, a lot of questions about private insurance, going into Medicare and Medicaid, and really helping families with so many other things. And
well,
really
there are a lot of questions when someone in your family is diagnosed, from what is this disease to how do I deal with it.
Right.
Tanya Peterson, thank you so much for joining us. Well,
Thank
I
you.
have been challenged, so stay tuned for that video.
Thanks for joining us.